All right, here is a great problem. I like to call this the tennis court problem because it's like you have this yard and you're separating your two tennis courts with a fence in the middle. So it says you have 1,000 feet of fence to enclose a rectangular playground and subdivide it into two smaller playgrounds by placing a fence parallel to one of the sides. Okay, they give us a figure here, and they tell us to express the area of the playground A as a function of one of its dimensions x. Okay, so what they want is the function a of x, and that is the area, and they want only x's. Okay, so if you see here, this one is an x, and the top part, if it's a rectangle, would also be an x. And then we have 3 lengths of y. Okay, so if they want the area is going to be, of the entire rectangle, is going to be x times y. But they only want this in terms of x, right here. So they don't want this y. Okay, so we have to figure out what we can put in place of the y. Now, there's some other information in the problem. They tell us 1,000 feet of fencing. All right, and if you look at the fencing, our fencing here is 2 x's, right? 2 lengths of x, 1 bottom and top, and 3 lengths of y, left, middle, and right. Okay, so that's going to give us another equation here. So we know that 1,000 equals the left y plus the middle y plus the right y plus the top x plus the bottom x. All right, so 1,000 equals 3 y's plus 2 x's. Now we have 2 different equations here. Okay, we have this one on the left and this one on the right. And if you have 2 equations and 2 unknowns, you're going to try to plug one into the other. Now remember, they only want the area in terms of x. So we need to plug something in for this y right here that I'm circling in red. Which means that we need to take this equation down here and find out what y is. Okay, so this is just algebra. To get our grumpy y all by herself, right here, we're first going to get rid of the 2x. So let's say minus 2x from the right side of the equal sign, minus 2x from the left side of the equal sign. And then we have 1,000 minus 2x equals 3y. Okay, 2x minus 2x canceled out. So one more step to get this grumpy old y by herself is to divide out the 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So now I have that 1,000 minus 2x divided by 3 equals, and over here you see 3 over 3 is just 1y. So I now know what y is in this equation on the right. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to plug it in right here into the other equation. Okay, let's do it. So now the area of x equals x times y, and y is 1,000 minus 2x over 3. 1,000 minus 2x over 3. Okay, and that's it. That's our area. We have told them what the area is in terms of x. Do we have any y's left over here? Nope, all x's.